If you have pets, allergies, or just deal with a lot of dust, you have definitely seen this Levoit Core 300. It's incredibly popular for a reason, but there is one major maintenance mistake people make that you need to avoid. First, functionality. This covers smaller bedrooms quickly, but it can scale up to over 1,000 square feet if you run it on high. The touch panel on top is seamless. When you kick it into sleep mode, the lights turn off and it drops to 24 decibels, which honestly just sounds like a very faint, soothing white noise. But here is a huge practical tip. When you first unbox this, you must flip it over, unscrew the bottom and take the plastic wrapper off the HEPA filter inside. You'll be shocked how many people run this for months with the plastic still on. This is a 3-in-1 filter that catches dust, pet hair and smoke odors. Now for my honest confession. While it does a phenomenal job clearing out cooking odors or pet danders in the room, the replacement filters can add up over a year if you run it 24/7. It doesn't have a smart sensor to auto-adjust the air quality like the pricier models do, so you have to change speeds manually. But for a straightforward, certified True HEPA purifier that is whisper quiet for sleeping, the performance for the price is tough to beat. This is highly recommended.